Hi everyone, welcome. Today's quick self-assessment will help you know your English skill grade. There are 15 questions in total, 5 beginner, A1, A2, 5 intermediate, B1, B2, and 5 advanced, C1, C2. After I read each group of 5 questions, I'll give the answers and short explanations. How to take the test. Write your answers on paper or in the comments. I'll give about 10 to 15 seconds after each question to think. Pause the video if you need more time. Ready? Let's begin. Beginner questions for A1, A2 level. 1. Choose the correct form. She ___ be my teacher. 2. Fill the blank. I have ___ apple. A/in. 3. Choose the right word. We ___ goes to school every day. 4. Complete the sentence. This is ___ book. Possession. My/mine. 5. Choose the correct question word. ___ is your name. What/which/who. Answers and brief explanations. 1. Is she's my teacher. Third person singular of be. 2. And an apple vowel sound. 3. Go, we go, plural subject, base verb. 4. My, this is my book. My before noun. 5. What is your name? Asks for identity. Next, intermediate questions for B1, B2 level. 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have been to Paris last year. B. I went to Paris last year. 2. Fill the blank with the correct preposition. She apologized ___ being late. For /to/ with. 3. Rewrite in reported speech. He said, I will come tomorrow. He said that ___. 4. Choose the correct phrasal verb. Please ___ the lights when you leave. Turn off/bring up. 5. Select the right connector. She studied hard ___ she passed the test. But although. Answers and brief explanations. 1. B. I went to Paris last year. Past simple for finished past time. 2. 4. Apologize for being late. Apologize for plus noun/gerund. 3. He would come the next day. He said that he would come the next day. Future and reported speech shifts. 4. Turn off. Turn off the lights. Phrasal verb equals switch off. 5. So. She studied hard, so she passed the test. Result. Now, advanced questions for C1, C2 level. 1. Choose the correct conditional form. If I ___ know about the meeting, I would have attended. Had known/knew. 2. Pick the best word. The committee reached ___ decision after long debate. Unanimous/unanimously/unanimousness. 3. Combine the sentences using inversion. Formal. Had I known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. That sentence is already inverted. Transform. If I had known, I would have left earlier. Now invert to start with had. Write the inverted sentence. 4. Identify the error. She suggested that he goes to the doctor. Is there an error? 5. Choose the correct register. Replace the informal phrase, I'm really sorry for this, with a formal apology sentence. Briefly write a formal option. Answers and brief explanations. 1. Had known. If I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. Third conditional, past perfect plus would have. 2. Unanimous. A unanimous decision, adjective. 3. Had I known, I would have left earlier. Inversion. Drop if. Put at first. 4. Error. Goes should be go. Subjunctive. She suggested that he go to the doctor. 5. Formal apology example. I apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. More formal register. Now add up your correct answers across all levels. There are 15 questions total. Your grade is: A grade, if you scored 0 to 5 correct answers. B grade, if you scored 6 to 10 correct answers. C grade, if you scored 11 to 15 correct answers. Be honest with your count. This is self-assessment. If you're in the A range, you found the areas to focus on. If you're B, you're doing well but have room to grow. If you're C, congrats, you're at an advanced level. Great job taking the test. Want more quizzes to practice and self-assess? Visit 99learners.in for more level tests and practice quizzes. I'll drop the link in the description. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos and leave a comment with your grade or which questions were tricky. I'll make follow-up lessons based on what you need. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.